So how did this get damaged? Because you were taking the steering knuckle off.
I was taking this apart and I routed the caliper this way and hung it up, and I completely forgot to even check on this side, and it's something that's like really obvious and really stupid if you break it, or it just happened to get broken. So okay, so this is the connector that these two wires go into, and the connector then connects here. It turns out these little blue rubber plugs slide back and forth. So if you can hook one just right, and I'll get the light on this in a second.
Yeah.
Okay, so that brass connector is perfectly round, and then it connects to the connector on the other side. So we thought we would take this fitting, because it looks like a male fitting,
yes,
and put it in the female looking fitting.
Why is that funny?
It always is. So we clicked it in.
Oh, nice.
And it makes not only a solid grab when it's in there, and we grab our voltmeter and we flip it to ohms. Right? I've never used your voltmeter.
Yeah, there you go.
Right? Okay.
So we want to make sure that this is a complete circuit.
You put it in your connector, and you put it on the other side of that connector, and you should get a zeroed out reading, which means that it's working.
It's good.
Okay, and then we're going to take those wires and we're going to crimp them in this connector, or heat shrink depending on the connector that you use, and then we're going to plug it in here, and then we'll probably rub a little silicone on it to keep the weather out, which is a legitimate repair.
Yeah.
So
so what we're using to fix this, 16 to 14 gauge
bullet terminals.
They're called bullet terminals, male, and
hopefully they don't shoot
Dorman 85433 is the part number, and but those perfectly fit in to the ABS sensor back. So that's how we're going to repair this.
This is a MK4 VW Golf. So I'm not sure if the Jettas are all the same or the Golfs are all the same. This is a normal 2.0 model, the model that we're usually messing with.
Okay, because of the extra thickness of the plastic collar, we have to take the collar off to fit it into the electrical end. So this, we're going to have to peel this plastic. I just cut the plastic. So we're going to peel that off. There it goes. So we have to get rid of that, like so. With the plastic insulation out of the way, you'll see these go right in. Now you can use silicone or whatever. I'm going to use 3M Black Super Weather Strip Adhesive. So this is nasty stuff. So the weather's not going to be getting in here anytime soon. Hope this helps all the people with broken harnesses.